how to do why college is worth it assignment. First thing you want to do is make sure that you read all the material and click on the links. But let me explain this assignment real quick. This assignment is based on a table in your textbook that talks about the benefits of college. So why college is worth it, the economic and personal benefits of a college education. And you may have already read this by the time you have started doing this project. So you'll notice that here are the reasons, and here are some bullet points that are examples of these reasons, right? So this box is pretty big. It has 7 different reasons and lots of different bullet points. So you're going to read through these bullet points and then decide how you would rank these in terms of your own personal reasons for attending college. So these are not in specific order, but you want to put them in order of importance for the reasons why you're attending college. Along with that, ranking them, you're to choose 2 of these bullet points. You don't have to make your own bullet points up, just choose 2 of the bullet points that represent why you chose the benefit. So you can do this assignment in 2 parts. The first part would be to simply rank these 1 through 7 in order of the reasons that you're attending college, and under each one of them, choose 2 bullet points that would support each one. And then you would be ready to do the second part, which is to create this thing called a Padlet. And so a Padlet looks like this. I made this as an example, so you can log in and look at this link example. And so here's how I ranked the reasons for going to college. I chose 2 bullet points for each one. And then I either embedded a link to an article. So I did some further research on why college can make you happier than healthy, and or the economic benefits. Here's an Inside Higher Ed article. So I did some further investigation for each one of these. Some of them are just pictures that I decided to put in that represent my reasons why. But what I want to do is create a variety of articles or YouTube videos, or it could even be a song. I don't care. Something that represents your choices here. And so you'll notice in the rubric we ask you for 2 of each, 2 articles, maybe 2 memes or symbols, or 2 videos. So this is what the Padlet looks like. So you'll create your own Padlet using the directions here. So here's a tutorial, an introduction on Padlet. You should definitely watch that. Here is a tour of Padlet. You should definitely read that. So it tells you how to sign in. Again, you don't need to do anything but give it your Microsoft account, which is Cincinnati State account. So when you log in, click on Login with Microsoft, and it may ask you to put in your Cincinnati State username and password, which is your email, or it may just take you directly to it. And so these are all the Padlets that I make. So yours won't have all these Padlets because you haven't made any yet, I don't think. But you will make a Padlet by clicking on Make a Padlet. And you can select any one you want, format you want. You can change these formats as you need. And so this just gives you an example or some help on getting started with it. But you will hit this post here. You will add the title. So if of the reason, economic you will include the two bullet points. And then you will embed an article, upload a picture, submit a link, and more. You can even capture a video from your camera if you'd like. So you've created your Padlet, and it looks something like this.